How generative AI will change the jobs of teachers. Generative AI is enhancing teaching by automating tasks and personalizing learning, but it won't replace teachers. Educators are using AI for creative tasks and routine work, freeing up time for student interaction. The technology offers opportunities for innovation but also poses risks like bias and inaccurate information. Generative AI aids in lesson planning, content creation, and supports multilingual classes, enhancing teaching quality. Personalized learning through AI caters to individual student needs, benefiting visual learners and those with special educational needs. AI automates tasks like grading and communication, allowing teachers more time for direct student engagement. The role of teachers is shifting towards facilitating learning, emphasizing critical thinking, and teaching AI skills.